Hi, third and fourth graders. Today we are doing um, vowels. We're going to talk about the different vowels that Reading Horizon has. We've talked about some of them with our Reading Horizons lessons, and some of them we will be talking about soon. But it's really important that when you're doing short vowels that you think about the sound that the short vowel makes. So vowels have all different kinds of sounds. They have sounds that can be long. They have sounds that they make diphthongs. They have digraphs. They have vowel teams. There's all these different ways vowels work to help us write and read words. But the very first way that they work is a short vowel. And so we may have talked about some of these things in class and some things we still need to talk about. But let's review the posters for the vowels. So A is for apple. Oh, sorry. A is for apple, so your mouth will be open, just like the poster. And you can do that symbol like you're holding an apple to help you. Apple. I is itch, so you can make the itching motion, and your teeth and your mouth form the way that the picture shows. Itch. Your tongue comes forward, but it doesn't quite touch your teeth. Itch. So you'll see a short I in words like pig or pit, things like that. You'll see apple in words like bag or pat, things like that. So you'll hear that sound, apple, and the I sound will be I for itch. Then our next vowels are E and O. E is like A, do you hear me? Or eh. So on this one, your mouth's open a little bit, but your tongue's forward. E is for eh. And so you're going to see those in words like pet or leg, words like that where you hear that eh. And then the next vowel is O, and your mouth's big and open, just like the letter O is big and open. So it's O is for opera. And I like to put my hands together to make the opera symbol and go, oh. O is for opera. So you're going to hear that ah sound. And then our last vowel that we're going to learn this year is is for umbrella. And you'll hear that sound. Your lips will make that motion and they'll kind of come together to make that sound. Now, as we've been talking with our most common words, sometimes with your most common words, you'll hear the U sound when there's really an A. That's why they're called most common words, is because they don't really follow the words, or really they're heart words, because part of it you have to memorize by heart. So I would like you to get a piece of paper out and put your name on the top, and we're going to write some words down with all of these vowels in them. So go ahead and hit pause and get a piece of paper. Okay, the first thing you're going to do on your paper is write your name. So write your name on your paper. Then when you're done, I want you to write 2 words that have a short A. So how about you write pat and map? So send out the sounds in those words, pat and map. Write down those 2 words, hit pause, and I'll give you the next ones. Your 2 E words are bed and leg. Bed and leg. They both say in them. So write down those sounds, hit pause. Your next two words are pit and dig with the letter I. And remember, I says I, like you're itching. I. The next two words that I want you to write down are with the letter O. Write down dog and pot. Dog and pot. They both say ah, like opera. Ah. And then your next two sounds is, or your next sound is U, and it says like umbrella. Let's write down mug and rut. Mug and rut. Okay, so now you should have all of your short vowels written down. You should have two for each short vowel. Now let's practice some heart words. Now before we practice our heart words, I forgot one thing. When we write down a short vowel word, you need to mark the vowel with an X. So take a minute and go through all your words that you've wrote and mark the vowel with an X. We've been practicing that with Reading Horizons, and in spelling, you have to mark it with an X. If you don't mark your vowel, it's wrong. So mark your vowel with an X. Okay, once you've marked your vowels with an X, I want you to write down your heart words, and remember you have to put the heart and the sound that it makes above it. So the first heart word that I want you to write down is two. So you're writing down the heart word two. Sorry, I'm trying to adjust this. Okay, the next heart word that you're writing down is they. They. Your next heart word that you're writing down is was. Was. Your next heart word that you're writing down is from. From. Your next heart word that you're writing down is have. Have. And your last heart word that you're writing down is word. Word. Oh, actually, there's one more after word. Sorry. Word. Write down word. Make sure you're putting your heart and the sounds on all of these. And then finally, I want you to write down one. One, like the number one. One. Okay, so you should have a paper with two words with each vowel sound, and then you should have, let's see, 7 heart words. So I should see 7 heart words at the bottom and 2 words with each vowel. So 17 words should be on your paper altogether. Okay, let me or Mrs. Richardson know if you have questions, and when you're done with this, you can go on to your Reading Horizon page or Waterford, whatever my instructions were today. Have a good day.